how to recover deleted Telegram account. So if you want to recover deleted Telegram account, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser, Google or your browser, because you can't recover your account from the application. So go with Google or your browser, any browser that you're using, and search for Telegram support and tap on telegram.org where you have the support section. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So you need to describe your problem. So you need to enter, or you need to type, I want to recover my account. I lost my account, so kindly recover it. And after that, enter your full name, legal name that you have added on your Telegram account, and your phone number that you've used while creating your Telegram account. And after that, submit. Once you've submitted, then within a few hours, Telegram will help you to recover your deleted Telegram account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.